This is orange. PCB has different materials such as ceramic, Ti, and the aluminum. They have different advantages and disadvantages. For example, the ceramic material. The advantages are good insulation. The disadvantages are easy to break and very expensive. It is used in military industry and the high-power electronics. The PA material used for flexible PCB. The advantages are that it can be built at low cost. The disadvantages are that it is difficult to modify. The size is limited and it is used in production. Small, reliable electronic equipment. Aluminum PCB, usually used in lady boards, has the advantages for durability, good heat dissipation,